Make waves and splash into summer here at Splish Splash Waterpark in Calverton. Splish Splash is New York's largest water park, featuring over 20 uniquely themed water attractions and multiple dining and retail opportunities.
We opened in 1991, so this is our 34th season, and it really has evolved in the sense of just adding more variety of attractions for our guests. So we really just started with kind of the lazy river and Kinney Cove and some other key attractions, but now we added a water coaster, Bootleggers Run. We have Alien Invasion, which is also a fan favorite, and then we repurposed Hyperlight here to just enhance the guest experience.
You can also relax in style in your own private oasis with one of the cabana rentals that are offered all throughout the park and accommodate party sizes from 6 to 16.
For this season, we opened up a new retail shop at our Kahuna Bay wave pool. It's called the Big Kahuna Bazaar. Additionally, this year we opened up some new food stands. We have Ben's Soft Pretzels, which they're Amish inspired, so we're really excited about that. They're freshly made every single day at the park. We have Locos Tacos on our boardwalk. And so yeah, we're really excited about some of our food options this season.
Adults can stop by the Riverview Bar for a beer or cocktail to enjoy while they watch the kids float on the lazy river or coming down from Dinosaur Falls. Be sure to check their website for all the details on the upcoming events. For Discover Long Island, I'm Brianna McEnroe.